How to disable logging on the standard error stream? How to disable logging on the standard error stream in Python? This does not work. I found a solution for this. This will prevent logging from being sent to the upper logger that includes the console logging. I use You can use where your underscore level is one of those. So, if you set your underscore level to logging.critical, you will get only critical messages sent by. Setting your underscore level to logging.debug will show all levels of logging. For more details, please take a look at logging examples. In the same manner, to change level for each handler, use handler.setLevel function.
Using Context Manager. Most simple. Example of use. If you need a more complex, fine-grained solution, you can look at Advanced Logger. Use cases for Advanced Logger.
Underscore